demonstration of the three sisters: corn, squash, and beans. The corn gets planted first. It provides the support for the climbing beans. I think I put out here Big John's from Kenny Collins. He gave me some of the seed. And the beans then provide nitrogen for the corn. And then the squash provides a ground cover here to keep the weeds and the moisture down. So you can see here what I planted here, some striped cushaws in here, and let's look for a bean. Here's a shot of a bean here. It's coming up, you see it right there. It's a Big John bean, it's a climbing bean. And the corn is a meal corn. So we'll use this for cornmeal or grits. Plant the squash wherever the corn didn't grow. You can see another one there. It's starting to come up. And then planted beans about every 2 or 3 feet. Here's a little bean right there. It's a beautiful sky tonight. You can't see it in the picture here, but it's gorgeous. The string around it is to keep the crows out. We really don't need that anymore, but we just haven't got to taking it down. But that's the Three Sisters demonstration. Looks beautiful. The color's good on it, on the corn. And here's some of our other little friends. Grace has been taking care of them. They're growing fast, really fast. X-Rocks and white pearl laying hens in here.